Main question number 2, the second question you see. It's the same triangle PQR. And EF and QR, we want to check whether they are parallel or not. And it's given here 4 and here 4.5 and here 8 and here it's 9. We have to check whether they are parallel. So what do we do? PE upon EQ, which is 4 upon 4.5. Leave it there. It cannot be made simplified. So leave it there. Come to PF upon FR, 8 upon 9. If we cut it by 9, you can exactly get this. I mean, cut it by 2. 4 2s are 8 and 4.5 2s are 9. So you're getting again 4 upon 4.5. See, it's maintaining the same ratio. So they are parallel. So we'll get, since PE upon EQ is equal to PF upon FR, EF is parallel to QR. This way, the third question you can do by yourself, that is to check whether they are parallel or not. You just have to check whether the ratios are equal or not. So third one is a simple sum, you can do it. Come to the main question number 3. Now, before going to main question number 3, I'm just teaching you some results of basic proportionality theorem that you can learn as a result, derived result. एक मेन रिजल्ट में, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री यू मस्ट हैव स्टडीड, मेन रिजल्ट में से हमको छोटे छोटे रिजल्ट्स मिलता है. जस्ट लाइक दैट फ्रॉम बीपीटी वी विल गेट स्मॉल रिजल्ट्स. I would like to discuss the result, 3 results of BPT. Look at this triangle ABC and DE, which is parallel to BC. So we know by basic proportionality theorem, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is BPT. Now from here, अगर ये दोनों same ratio होगा तो you know this also means AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. That is the ratio rule. AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. This is the result. AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. And the third one, DB upon AB. DB upon AB is also equal to EC upon AC. This can easily be obtained if you add 1 on both the sides, take LCM, you will get this result. आप उसको उल्टा करके add 1 on both the sides, you will get this result. So this results you should be clear about. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC is BPT, but AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC is derived result. Also, DB upon AB is equal to EC upon AC. Now, we will do main question number 3. Main question number 3 का figure ऐसा है. It is ABCD. AC is joined. LM is parallel to CB and LN is parallel to C. So these two things are parallel, so we can apply BPT. Likewise, these two are also parallel, so we can apply BPT in this triangle. In ABC, we'll apply BPT. Also, we apply BPT in ACD. So we get the result. Abhi. Let's apply BPT in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we can write, look at only this triangle, concentrate on only triangle ABC. LM is parallel to CB. LM is parallel to CB. Therefore, we can apply BPT. AM upon MB is equal to AL upon LC. That implies, you know, you can write the result. क्योंकि हमें question में चाहिए AM upon AB. So we can write that implies AM upon AB is equal to AL upon AC. AL upon AC. Put it as statement number 1. Now let's come to this lower triangle in triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, LN is parallel to CD. Therefore, AL upon LC is equal to AN upon ND. What does this implies? AL upon AC is equal to AN upon AD. This is statement number 2. Look at this statement number 1 and 2. You can see in both AL by AC is same. ये देखिए, ये दोनों same. This equal to this and this equal to this. तो ये दोनों equal होगा from 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, we can write from 1 and 2, we can write AM upon AB is equal to AN upon AD, which is proved. This is the sum. So we apply BPT here, we got a result. Keep it there. We apply BPT here, we got a result. वो दोनों result में से हमें answer मिल जाएगा. What you want to prove. Hope you understood it. Come to the fourth question. Fourth question, I will explain. Main question number 4. Look at the figure. The figure is like this. It's triangle ABC. AC का parallel है इधर DE. These two are parallel. It's given AC and DE are parallel. Then AE is joined and AE का parallel इधर draw किया है, which is DF. These two are parallel. So whenever parallelism is given in a triangle, we can apply BPT. Look at the big triangle ABC. उसमें ये दोनों parallel है. Forget about these two lines. अगर ये दोनों parallel है तो we can apply BPT. We can apply BD by DA is equal to BE by EC. Put it there first as statement number 1. Come to this small triangle ABE. Look at AB. उसी में भी ये दोनों parallel है. So I can apply BD by DA is equal to BF by FE. इसमें BD by DA is common in both the statement. Then we'll get the answer. That's a trick. So let's come to in triangle. You have to mention in triangle as usual. You have to write given and prove that and all. I'm not going to it. Let's discuss only the proof. When you write the proof, you have to mention which is a triangle. Let's take the first triangle, big triangle. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. DE is parallel to AC. Therefore, I can write BD by DA is equal to BE upon EC. Put it as statement number 1. BD upon DA is equal to BE upon EC. BE upon EC is there in the answer which we have to prove. Now come to the small triangle, which is that ABE. In triangle ABE, which two are parallel? DF is parallel to AE. So therefore, how to apply BPT? BD by DA is equal to BF by FE. BD by DA is equal to BF by FE. This is statement number 2. Look at this statement 1 and 2. You can see these two are common ratio. So that right sides will be equal. Very clear. From 1 and 2, ये दोनों equal है, तो ये दोनों equal होगा. So BE upon EC is equal to BF upon FE. Proved. This has to be proved. Now come to the fifth question. Fifth question is applying converse, because there you have to prove that EF is parallel to QR. Yeah, look at the figure. EF. हमें प्रूव करना है EF is parallel to QR. Actually, if you have to prove these two are parallel, what you need to prove is PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. तो ये दोनों parallel होगा. Let's come to that. क्या दिया क्या है is DE is parallel to OQ. इसमें एक दूसरा twist है कि ऐसा है. This is O. और इसमें parallel है. OQ का parallel है इधर. What is its name? ED. Okay. And OR का parallel है. OR का parallel है DF. Parallel, wherever the lines are given parallel, you can concentrate on that and you can apply BPT. Very clear. Which triangle will apply BPT? ये दोनों अगर parallel है तो which is the triangle which we are getting? Very clear. PQO. In triangle PQO. Which two are parallel? ED is parallel to OQ. Therefore, how to apply BPT? PE upon EQ is equal to PD upon DO. Statement number 1. This very same way, ये दोनों parallel है तो we can go for this triangle, which is a triangle's name POR. In triangle POR, DF is parallel to OR. Therefore, PD upon DO is equal to PF upon FR. Put statement number 2. Look at statement number 1 and 2. One ratio will be common. Which is the ratio common? PD by DO is common. So obviously these two will be equal. So from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. PE by EQ is equal to PF upon FR. अभी देखो what I said, उधर ही पहुंचा. PE by EQ is equal to PF upon FR. We reached there from 1 and 2. So these two will be parallel by converse. Therefore, EF is parallel to QR by converse of BPT. This is how it's proved. We apply BPT here, we got a result. We apply BPT here, we got a result. वो दोनों result में हमें main result मिला. From there, according to converse of BPT, it is parallel. Okay. Sixth question I am giving for you to do. Sixth main question. आपको try करना है. If you are not getting, you can consider. It's very simple. Whatever given parallel, you can take it. Come to the seventh question. Using theorem 6.1. 6.1 is BPT. Prove that the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. Okay. Seventh. So this you have to do. Seventh. Prove that in a triangle, I am giving the triangle ABC name. Prove that the line drawn through the midpoint of one side, agar I am taking the midpoint of AB as M and I am drawing a line through M. We want to prove that it will bisect the third side. Matlab, N is the midpoint of AC. Agar M is the midpoint of AB and if these two are parallel, then N is also the midpoint of AC. So let's write given and prove that in this because it is theoretical. Let's write given. What is given? What is given in this? In triangle ABC, yes, it's given M is the midpoint of AB and MN is parallel to BC. ये दोनों दिया है. M midpoint दिया है and these two are parallel दिया है. To prove क्या है? What do you want to prove? To prove क्या prove करना है? N is also the midpoint of AC. N is the midpoint of AC. N is the midpoint of AC. This is you have to prove. Now let's come to the proof. It's very simple. Since it's given these two are parallel, BPT is applied. AM by MB is equal to AN by NC. So let's write the proof. In triangle ABC, MN is parallel to BC. Therefore, AM by MB is equal to AN by NC. You can write by BPT. But AM is equal to MB. M midpoint है ना, तो ये दोनों equal होगा. But AM is equal to MB. Therefore, AM by MB is equal to 1. X equal to X or X equal to Y. X by Y is 1. 10 equal to 10. 10 by 10 is 1. Two things are equal. ये दोनों equal है. तो इसका ratio 1 होगा. अगर ये 1 होगा तो ये भी 1 होगा. Therefore, AN by NC is also 1. That implies AN is equal to NC. Agar AN and NC are equal, then N is the midpoint of AC, we proved. Therefore, N is midpoint of AC. Very simple. These two are parallel. So, this upon this is equal to this upon this. That's what we learned in theorem 6.1. But we know that it's given M is the midpoint. तो ये दोनों इक्वल होगा तो इसका रेशियो 1 होगा. ऑब्वियसली इसका भी रेशियो 1 होगा. इसका रेशियो 1 होगा मतलब ये दोनों इक्वल है, ये दोनों इक्वल है, तो N is the midpoint of AC. Okay, this is the. Now, 8th question is a converse of 7th question. Given and prove that should be very clear. Either given and prove that will twist, will be interchange. 8th question. 8th question is, using theorem 6.2, prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides will be parallel to the third side. See, very simple. This is a triangle. Midpoint, this is the midpoint theorem which you have studied in 9th standard. ABC, M and N. If you join two midpoints, it will be parallel. You have studied it. But how to prove it using BPT's converse? हमें प्रूव करना है ये दोनों पैरेलल है, मतलब this upon this should be equal to this upon this. ये भी मिड पॉइंट है, ये भी मिड पॉइंट है. So AM by MB is 1, AN by NC is 1, 1 equal to 1. So AM by MB is equal to AN by NC. Therefore MN is parallel to BC. This is the thing. So given and prove that should be very clear in 8th question. It's ulta given. क्या given है? In triangle ABC, M and N are midpoints of AB and AC. M and N are the midpoints. Therefore, AM upon MB is equal to 1 and AN upon NC is equal to 1. That means, or therefore, AM upon MB is equal to AN upon NC. ये भी equal है, ये भी equal है. 5, 5, 6, 6, 5 by 5 is 1, 6 by 6 is 1. तो दोनों equal है. Therefore, MN is parallel to BC by theorem 6.2. 6.2 मतलब converse of BPT. So that is 8th question. Now come to 9th. 9th and 10th, one and the other one is converse. Come to the 9th question. If you complete or if you understand this exercise completely thoroughly, any sum related with BPT and its converse you can do, you can try. We'll be giving many extra questions to you. You have in the study material also. 9th question. ABCD is a trapezium. You know what is a trapezium is? One pair of opposite sides parallel hoga. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD and its diagonals intersect each other. ये दोनों parallel है, दिया है, ये दोनों parallel है, and their diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. Show that AO by BO. To prove है AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. So to prove, given क्या है? In trapezium, all that things you can write in trapezium, A, B, C, D, जो भी दिया है data. To prove क्या है? What is to prove? To prove is AO by DO is equal to CO by DO. Okay, let's come to the proof. Now, if you see here, we don't have a triangle to apply BPT. So हम एक triangle को बनाएंगे. You know, AB and CD are parallel. So from O or through O, let us draw a parallel line to both the sides. ये दोनों का एक parallel line draw करेंगे. Let me give its name as ABCDE. Okay. Let me, तो ये तीनों तीन parallel हो गया. So I will write in proof. Construct or draw line OE through O parallel to AB and CD. Obviously AB का parallel draw करेंगे तो CD का भी parallel होगा. अभी आप देखो, look at triangle ABC. अगर ये आप, you don't have to, if I'm rubbing this, you can see very clearly in this triangle, ये दोनों parallel है. We can apply BPT. CO by OA is equal to CE by EB. Okay. So, in triangle ABC, which two are parallel? OE is parallel to AB. Therefore, CO by OA is equal to CE by EB. Put it as statement number 1. Now, let me apply same BPT in this triangle. Look at this triangle. BCD triangle. ये दोनों parallel है. So, I can apply DO by OB is equal to CE by EB. So, in triangle DCB, which two are parallel? OE is parallel to CD. Therefore, what can I write? Therefore, DO by OB is equal to CE by EB. Statement number 2. Look at the statement number 1 and 2. ये common है, CE by EB, CE by EB. तो ये दोनों equal होगा. So we can write from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. What we can write? CO upon OA is equal to DO upon OB. See, what we want we got, but we just have to do a very logic rule of ratio. Look, we want to prove AO by BO. So what can I do? OA I can bring it here and DO I can bring it here. I can do it because the cross product should be equal. CO into OB is equal to OA into OD. So what I'll do, OA will go there. That implies you can write CO upon DO I am bringing down is equal to OA will go there. OA upon OB. This is a ratio rule. You can easily do it. You can see that A by B is equal to C by D है. So what does it imply? I can write A by C is equal to B by D. In any way, you're getting AD equal to BC. इधर भी मिलेगा AD equal to BC. Okay. So by this.